Natural gas is used in cooking, industries, and vehicles, but how do we store and transport it across oceans and countries? The answer is LNG, liquefied natural gas. आज हामी बुझ्नेछौँ liquefied natural gas कसरी बनाइन्छ र कहाँ प्रयोग हुन्छ। LNG stands for liquefied natural gas. Is a natural gas, mostly methane CH4, that has been cooled to minus 162 degrees Celsius, turning it into a liquid. Because liquid gas takes 600 times less volume than a gas form, making it easier to store and transfer, we do this. The LNG process involves four main steps. First step is gas extraction and cleaning. Natural gas is first extracted from underground wells, then is purified to remove carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, water vapor, dust, hydrocarbon. Second step, cooling and liquefaction. The clean gas is cooled down to minus 162 degrees Celsius using multi-stage refrigeration cycle like the cascade cycle or a mixed refrigerant cycle. यो प्रक्रिया थर्मोडाइनामिक प्रिन्सिपलको प्रयोग गरेर गरिन्छ। The third step is storage. The LNG is stored in cryogenic tanks, which is insulated to keep the temperature extremely low. Then the fourth process is transportation. The LNG is transported in special cryogenic ships or tankers trucks. When it reaches its destination, it is regassed before use. It is used in power plants, industrial boilers, cooking gas, LNG vehicles, and trucks export for international trades. LNG plays a key role in cleaning energy transition and is becoming more important in Nepal too. So now you know how natural gas is turned into liquid and transported across the world. यो प्रक्रिया धेरै एडभान्स टेक्नोलोजी प्रयोग हुन्छ। Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more engineering video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.